Assembly steps. Expand the left handle, and then rotate the left, locking sleeve inward along the thread to secure the left handle and the T-bar. Then expand the right handle and rotate the right, locking sleeve inward along the thread to secure the right handle and the T-bar. Open the quick release fixture on the bracket, pull the bracket to the desired height, and then close the quick release fixture. Take out the instrument. Unscrew the instrument screw, place the instrument on the bracket, and then secure it with the instrument screw. Firstly, use one hand to push the folding handle downwards while using the other hand to pull up the vertical tube at the same time. Then step on the frame with one foot to stabilize the vehicle body. Meanwhile, hold the handlebars with both hands and quickly push forward with force until the latch is fully inserted into the slot. Push the safety buckle downwards to cover the folding handle and fix the folding switch. Pull up and fix the seat post. Remove the parts on the bottom of the seat cushion. Pass the screw through the saddle tube. And then install the seat cushion and fix it with the removed parts. After adjusting the electric door lock, tighten the screws on it. After unlocking the electric door lock with the key, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds. Then the instrument panel will turn on. The instrument panel can only be turned on when the electric door lock is unlocked. Check whether all functions are available and whether the power supply is normal. Horn button. Brake lever. The electric door lock with the key. Motor display. Folding steps. Open the clamp ring of the seat post, and then pull out the saddle tube together with the seat cushion. After putting down the seat post, hold the vertical tube with one hand and gently push it forward. Meanwhile, use the other hand to pull the folding handle. When the folding pin moves to the next slot, it indicates that the body of the vehicle has been successfully folded.